Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to restore deleted contacts on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Contacts app. After click on Contacts app, click on this three dot icon and click on Recycle Bin. After click on Recycle Bin, click on Select and you will see select contact from here. After select contact, if you want to restore contact, click on restore all and you will see your contact is restored. After restore a contact, go back to home screen. So that's how you can restore deleted contacts on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.